Being a student today often comes with a heavy, dependent burden. You spend hours buried under mountains of homework, staring at complex math and science concepts that refuse to make sense. And when you finally have a brilliant idea for a video game or a website, you realize you lack the technical coding skills to actually build it, leaving you dependent on others to move forward. Imagine a scenario where the barrier between your imagination and reality disappeared. You could finish your assignments in minutes, build those games and websites yourself, and have the time to help your parents or pursue your hobbies. Hi, I'm Kantesh from Starbiztech. This level of instant creation is a reality today through AI, and I am here to guide you as you learn to master it. Think of artificial intelligence as a super librarian who has read every book in the world, or a tireless robot assistant that learns your specific needs and solves problems on the spot. Directing these tools requires a skill called prompting, the specific language and method used to command an AI to produce exactly what you need. Mastering prompting provides a clear path out of the frustration of difficult schoolwork, giving you instant help at your fingertips. Arush from London prompts his AI tutor, and a difficult math equation fractures into 3 easy-to-understand pathways. For physics, Bharat in India prompts the AI, and these pathways morph into a visual explanation of gravity and speed, helping him finish assignments faster. Language learning follows the same process. Sahastra uses AI to translate and explain Kannada, breaking down the reading and writing process until she can handle it on her own. In Dubai, Noah uses AI to explore his daily curiosity. When encountering a new topic, he gets a simple, instant explanation that answers his questions immediately. Using AI as a personalized tutor allows a student to move through complex subjects at their own speed, building a deeper understanding of the material. With schoolwork managed, you can apply AI to real-world logic. Amoga in India uses AI as a dedicated chess coach. By analyzing moves and suggesting strategies, the AI helps him improve his thinking during every match. Arna in India applies these skills in the kitchen. She prompts the AI with a list of leftover vegetables, and it provides step-by-step cooking instructions so she can help her mom prepare dinner. Nora in Dubai helps her mother, a doctor, by using AI to digitize handwritten medical notes. She prompts the AI to convert the pages into professional documents, improving clarity instantly. These students use AI as an assistant to provide practical help to their parents and communities. The highest level of this journey is building new things from scratch. Parnika from India takes basic text and commands the AI to design attractive school presentations. Shriyam in Dubai uses AI to generate unique images and design ideas, bringing a visual edge to her creative projects. Sid from London bypasses traditional production barriers by prompting AI to write scripts and generate visuals, creating full video presentations on his own. This diagram shows the build process for a tool in the USA. Acting as a full-stack developer, he prompts AI to write code for a science website. Wireframes assemble in real time, resulting in a live, shareable demo link sent directly to his teacher. At this level of mastery, you use AI to turn your raw imagination into professional-grade digital products that you can share with the world. This illustration captures the transformation. On the left is the starting point, feeling small and dependent on others for answers. On the right is a student who can confidently orchestrate digital tools to solve their own problems. Commanding AI provides a specialized skill set that prepares you for the technical requirements of the modern workforce. The Starbiztech LLC USA certification serves as formal proof that you are equipped for the digital economy. This bootcamp provides the technical foundation needed to build complex projects independently, without waiting for outside help. You are not just using tools anymore. You are becoming a creator who actively builds with technology. Let's start your AI journey today.